Thanks a lot for staying with Republic TV. You're watching Straight at 8 with me, Shivani Gupta. We've got breaking news coming in as far as Rajasthan and the politics all around in Rajasthan is concerned. Hours after, CBI earlier today questioned Congress MLA Krishna Punia in connection with the SHO suicide case in Rajgarh. The Gehlot government has now issued a notification to withdraw its consent to the CBI to investigate this matter. The Rajasthan government has revoked all previous general consents to transfer cases to CBI. This could also be seen, of course, tied to the tussle that is currently ongoing in Rajasthan. Remember, there is a demand from the BJP to do a CBI inquiry even into the tape gate that BJP leaders have been accused in. Let's first go across to my colleague Nalini joining us for more on this. Nalini, take us through what this latest notification by the Rajasthan government says. Does it give any reason for withdrawing this consent?
So Shivani, if you remember, just a few months back, we had actually seen a similar order even coming from the West Bengal government, where the government had decided that the CBI will not be allowed to investigate in the state anymore unless and until specific consent is given by the government. So that's exactly the same pattern that is being followed by the Rajasthan government over here as well. What they've done is that they've said that all the general approvals or the consent that was given on a general basis for investigation into cases by the CBI in the state stands revoked. If there was any approval or consent that was given for a specific case, then that remains valid. But from now on, the CBI will have to take an approval for each and every case. So on a case-to-case basis, the Rajasthan government is basically going to decide whether or not the CBI is going to be given a free hand to investigate in the state or not. So that is the notification they've passed right now. All of the general consent that was given to the CBI before this stands revoked. And if there is any case that the CBI wants to investigate, it will have to approach the Rajasthan government to first get the approval, and then only if the Rajasthan government gives a go-ahead to the CBI will they be able to investigate the matter into the state.
All right, my colleague Amardeep is also joining us for the latest development from Jaipur. Amardeep, what more are you picking up from the Rajasthan government? Amardeep? All right. We'll try and establish... All right. Amardeep is getting the audio now. Amardeep, tell us more of what you're picking up from the Rajasthan government.
देखिए, राजस्थान गवर्नमेंट बिल्कुल अभी खतरे में है और कोर्ट में जिस तरीके से सियासी समीकरणों को बनाने की बात चल रही है, कोर्ट क्या फैसला देता है इसी पर डिसीजन है। लेकिन मेरे पीछे जो आप होटल देख रही हैं, इसी होटल में सारे विधायक, तमाम विधायक मौजूद हैं और बताया यही जा रहा है, जो हमारे सोर्स हैं, जो हमारे इनपुट्स हैं, वो कह रहे हैं कि 9:30 बजे एक विधायकों की बैठक है। उस बैठक में जो है अशोक गहलोत पहुँच सकते हैं, उनसे बात कर सकते हैं। हो सकता है कि ये विधायकों की बैठक फ्लोर टेस्टिंग के लिए हो या फिर विधानसभा सत्र बुलाने के लिए हो, जैसा कि हम पहले बताते आ रहे हैं दर्शकों को, लगातार हम अपडेट दे रहे हैं। तो ये बैठक जो है वो महत्वपूर्ण है कि अगर वो फ्लोर के लिए जाएंगे या फिर विधानसभा सत्र के लिए जाएंगे, क्योंकि छोटा सत्र जो है वो बुलाने की कोशिश अशोक गहलोत की रहेगी। और वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ अशोक गहलोत जो है सचिन पायलट को घेरने की कोशिश करेंगे। इस विधानसभा सत्र को बुलाने का एक मकसद जो है वो साफ है कि व्हिप जारी करा करके बाकी के जो विधायक हैं, जो निलंबित नहीं हुए हैं और जो पार्टी में हैं, उनको यहाँ राजस्थान में एंटर कराया जाए। एंटर कराने के बाद जो एसओजी लगातार उनकी तलाश कर रही है, जिनको एसओजी अभी तलाश कर रही है लेकिन मिल नहीं पाए हैं, राजस्थान की सीमा में जैसे वो एंटर करें, क्योंकि व्हिप का उल्लंघन करेंगे तो सदस्यता चली जाएगी। दूसरी तरफ ये है कि वो जैसे ही एंटर होंगे तो उनको एसओजी जो है वो अरेस्ट करेगी पूछताछ के लिए, क्योंकि क्वेश्चनिंग करने के लिए उन्होंने कई दबिश भी दी थी, लेकिन वो चीज़ प्रॉपरली ठीक नहीं हो पाई। तो ऐसे में विधायकों से बातचीत करके, कॉन्फिडेंस में लेकर के अशोक गहलोत सचिन खेमे को कहीं ना कहीं घेरने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
Okay. So even as that crisis is unfolding, both in courts and of course in Jaipur and in the national capital NCR region, we've got Rajasthan government also withdrawing its previous permission for the CBI to investigate the SHO suicide case. Could it have a link with the current tussle as well for CBI demand into the tape gate as well? We'll continue to track this development very closely. A big thanks to both Amardeep and Nalini for joining us.